So we're here today at the Eden Project once again to go and see Paddington Bear. He's in the Rainforest Biome over there. So we're going to go on a bit of a trail and find out where Paddington Bear is and give him a good bear hard stare. I'm not sure. But this is Alex from CornwallFamilyLife. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see attractions from Cornwall. Hope you enjoy the video.
It's okay, babe.
Okay. You're alright, darling. Don't worry.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Right, and your photo? Your photo?
You still Emily? You still Emily? Go, go, go.
Oh, you're all together.
Yeah, yeah, it's just they're using the second photo, isn't it?
That's alright.
And the next one, we have to go all the way around here,
Keep the lid.
up to there, and down, up to there, across, down, 5, go down to 6, go back around. We just did Tug-of-War for one of the letters on the trail, and everyone was watching us because we had 3 people doing it.
So we're doing the, what is this? The Paddington Visits the Eden Project Trail, Treasures of the Rainforest Trail, and you've got to find 5 different letters to make a word, and then you can scan the QR code,
Look at me.
give the word in, and you might win a prize.
Look at me.
Which would be really cool.
Everyone was doing the small ones, but there was nothing underneath them.
Yeah.
The 50-meter one.
So we're just working up our way to number 3 to find the next one, aren't we?
It uses lots of water.
I think it's on a constant, it uses the same water again and again. Should we just go the quick way?
Does it absorb through the ground and go into pipes?
Yeah. But there you go, Eli. It shows you how the cycle of rain goes.
That rock, going down. There it is again. I'm just kidding, I don't even know where it is. Someone definitely left something.
Many people have given up.
Many people have given up.
It is boiling up here.
Did you get it all?
I've got as much scrap as
Emily.
Oh no! Augustus Gloop, go away from the chocolate river. Go away from the marmalade. Oh, it is absolutely boiling here in the tropical part of Cornwall, which is St Austell. And this is the Eden Project, and you should definitely visit it, especially with the locals pass. And there's loads of good events like this all year round, and especially Christmas. Check out the Christmas videos on our channel for more information. Oh, there's another clue. Let's go and find out this other clue, Eli. Oh, you have to look around for the letter this time.
Trees. Really?
Right, we're going to head on to Costa Rica, everyone. Look, Eli, the crow's nest is shut because it's too hot, I think.
Yeah.
People faint going up there.
I knew it.
Normally that's open to visit.
We used to have a bit while in town to the front.
Yes. I might be on a chalkboard. Further up. It's so warm. Oh look, it says the session is now finished. And what's the temperature in here today? Flipping Henry. Session now finished. And the humidity is 83%. That's why. That's why it's so hot and sticky. So we're almost done here in the Mediterranean. No, it's not Mediterranean. Rainforest biome. It's 28 degrees in St Austell in Cornwall. And 83% humidity, whatever that means.
Imagine in here in a heat wave.
It's flipping hot. No wonder they sell so many ice creams at the exit.
Oh, number 5.
Oh,
Oh,
solve it, solve it. What was it? What did she say? Just on our way out of the rainforest biome after it being a minor heat wave. And here we are, we're stepping out into the cool. Are you excited? Yes. It's Paddington.
What is it?
Marmalade. What does that spell?
Plants.
Plants. Oh my goodness.
Becky got it.
Absolute incredible sunshine to end the day here at Eden. Hope you like this little video that we did at the Eden project, and subscribe for more videos about Cornwall family life attractions, and also have a check out of the Hitchens Family Adventures channel, because they are up and coming and they are visiting all sorts of other places, including Legoland, in the coming months. So thank you for the video, watching the video. Cheers and go on.